Hey Cameron, this is Joseph. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm able to help businesses grow. You said you're a general contractor, right? General contractor, Detroit. Okay. So when somebody's looking for a general contractor, they're gonna do one of two things. They're gonna ask somebody they know, hey, who does this? Who's pretty good at that, right? Referrals, word of mouth, or they're gonna get online. When they get online, they're gonna do another one or two things. They're going to either type it into the search bar or they're going to say, hey Siri, or if they have Cortana with these HPs, general contractor in Detroit, right? They're going to ask these robots
I
right here.
found 5 places matching general contractor in Detroit.
So
There's Jenkins
on
Construction at
Bing,
9.
on Bing, you got top five, you got five results. On Google, you really got three. This guy, Blackstone, is buying his way into the maps. These guys are buying their way onto page one, right? So check this out. 70% at 68, 70% of clients who do a Google search for what they want, call one of these top three businesses. 10% will call somebody in the ads, and then the other 20 will find a business down in the organic listings. These are the organic listings. And as you can see, these are just directories. Yelp, Thumbtack, Angie's List. These are not local businesses, right? So how do you do this? How do you get on this front page? And there's something I like to call the key elements to ranking organically, which have been tried and true for the last decade of me doing this. And the first thing is having this map listing established. So, like I just said, the top three businesses get 70% of phone calls for online searches. And the thing about this is someone is actively looking for something that you provide. It might be an electrician. It doesn't matter what it is that you offer. If you rank for it, if it's on your map listing, you're gonna appear if it's ranked, right? So that map listing is one of the first key things in building citations to this map listing. All right. Like if you have a Facebook page, so look, Renee has, let me see, these are different citations: Yelp, Manta, Facebook. Well, yeah, okay. These are different citations, but it's also going to help if you have a site and if you have a map listing, right? With it, you know, using an email and address to set it up. After this is building content onto your site. The words need to be authoritative. It needs to be relevant to searchers. So you do have a site, you do have a service page, and what will help is if you get even more in depth when it comes to housing. Okay, development services, housing, like break down this whole topic right here. Break down what you guys do to houses, right? Break down what master planning is. Break this down into content, site selection. Break this down. What I like to do for my clients is be as authoritative as possible, as in depth as possible, right? So we build separate pages for each services. So like someone hovers over services, they're all going to drop down. Boom, 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 boom. Like these will all drop down. And then you can go to that page. And then in there, we go into depth about that service. And we start becoming the authority online. And that's what Google likes in Bing. They like authority. Okay. And after that is running backlinks. Backlinks are like votes from other sites. You know, if your website was a vehicle, ranking on Google is the race. And the more authoritative your backlinks are, the higher you're going to rank, right? Not all backlinks are created equal though. So you don't have any backlinks, but let me just pick somebody. Let's just pick these guys right here. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So you don't have any backlinks. Ideal Control they only got one backlink. They got good trust photo. Let's find out. So they got 40,000 backlinks. That's a lot of backlinks. So they got 40,000 votes from other people. That might be one of the reasons why they appear. Where were they? Right here on top. Okay. 40,000 votes. utilizing these key elements, right? And just to show you an example, we're just going to put google.com. Now this site, remember these are votes from other sites, so Google got like 400 like million votes because they're very trusted, right? So I hope this was informational. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me.